To decode the Bill.com API Integration Guide, start by understanding the basics of application programming interfaces and their role in integrating different software systems. The Bill.com API allows developers to access and manage billing and payment data, enabling seamless interactions between Bill.com and other applications. First, register for a Bill.com developer account to obtain a client ID and client secret, which are necessary for authentication. Familiarize yourself with the API documentation, including available endpoints, request methods, and data formats such as JSON. Next, choose an authentication method, either OAuth 2.0 or basic authentication, and follow the implementation instructions. OAuth 2.0 is recommended for its enhanced security features. Configure the authentication settings, including redirect URLs and permissions, to ensure secure data access. Then, explore the API endpoints, which are divided into categories such as billing, payments, and vendors. Use the API keys to make HTTP requests to these endpoints, retrieving or sending data as needed. For example, use the Get API v3 Invoices endpoint to fetch a list of invoices or the Post API v3 Payments endpoint to create a new payment. When making API requests, ensure you handle errors and exceptions properly, using error codes and messages to diagnose and resolve issues. Implement logging and monitoring to track API activity and optimize performance. Best practices for decoding the Bill.com API Integration Guide include testing API requests thoroughly, validating user input, and securing sensitive data such as API keys and client secrets. Stay up to date with the latest API documentation and release notes to take advantage of new features and improvements. By following these steps and guidelines, developers can successfully integrate the Bill.com API into their applications, streamlining billing and payment processes and enhancing overall efficiency. Remember to prioritize security, error handling, and performance optimization to ensure a seamless and reliable integration experience.